Did you know that pwede kang ikasal ng French partner mo sa France kahit you haven't been to France before? Did you also know that kahit isang beses lang kayo nag-meet in person and regardless of the length of relationship you had with him, posible ka pa rin ikasal sa kanya in France? Well, you heard me right, and I confirm that it's possible because for French visa application, there's a visa category called short stay, private visit for the purpose of marriage to a French national visa category. So for today's video, we will be talking about the French marriage visa. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Jill and I am a Schengen visa consultant expert helping Filipino travelers to travel to Europe for any purposes such as tourism, family visit, visiting boyfriend-girlfriend, marriage purposes, spouse visa, and even for long-term visa. So for those couple who plans to get married in France, the right type of visa category that you have to apply is the short stay private visit for the purpose of marriage to a French national visa. So that is the right type of visa that you have to apply. So for this type of visa, you have to focus mainly on your civil status documents. So for Philippine passport holders or Filipino applicants, you have to provide your PSA birth certificate and your SANOMAR. And for the French partner naman, or for your future spouse, you have to provide his passport or national identification ID and his birth certificate. He also need to provide a proof of domicile, like proof of address, supporting document. And if your future spouse has been divorced before, of course he had to supply or he had to provide his divorce papers documents, because these are just some of the requirements that you have to provide for a visa application. And you always have to remember that your application is your application. You have to supply or you have to provide all the documents that are only applicable to your case. So you have to focus on this. And you might be curious to know how long does this process takes, like for the marriage visa. Okay, you have to know that you need at least 2 to 3 months preparation to get these documents collected, because once you have all these documents ready, then of course you will be able to submit all the documents for a visa application. And also you have to submit your application at least even 1 month to 6 months prior departure or even prior your marriage day. Because for my client's case, we did at least 3 months maximum preparation. I mean, until they had their visa already, because we started in October and we submitted the application in January 6th. And then after January 6th, the embassy, French embassy processed the application and we had a respond at least 2 days after with the visa, of course. So na-approve sila for the application and for 2 days only. So that's how fast the processing when it's already in the embassy. But ang tumatagal lang dito is when you gather all the documents for the marriage visa. Anyway, worth it naman lahat, because at least it might have taken us a bit while, like for 3 months maximum, to get the visa approved. But then, ang assurance doon is nandoon na. Like, she was scheduled to leave the country, the Philippines, in January 26th. And then she arrived France 26th. And their marriage day or wedding day is February 8th, which is last week ago. So, ayun, at least, I would just want to say that this process might have taken a while, but then yung assurance and guaranteed is higher kaysa kung mag-a-apply tayo ng private visit. Although I don't discourage you to apply for the private visit kung yun lang naman talagang purpose ng visit nyo. But then if you have plans to get married, and of course if you want to get married in France kasi it's much easier than to get married in the Philippines, then you have to get this visa, marriage visa na lang. So just to sum it up, we did the application in October and we submit the complete requirements in January 6. And then we had our response, like we had the visa approved January 8. So, ganun yung naging proseso ng application. So, for those time, from October, November, December, of course, we collected all the documents that we need. This takes a while, but if you would really ask me, I would really suggest to apply for this type of visa, wherein at least mas higher yung chance. And of course, for those couple only na may planong magpakasal talaga, but don't do this if you don't really plan to get married. Admittedly, I know that most couple, especially for those who I talked with, they are not aware that there's a French marriage visa for France. That's why I made this video to share to everyone of you, that it's possible if you want to get married in France. This type of visa will be the best type of visa that you have to apply for your case, given that the French embassy is strict. So for those couples na may plan to get married in France, this type of visa ay applicable sa inyong situation than applying for a private visit visa. So additional information na lang din to what my clients avail during the process. So they availed the marriage visa assistance, wherein we started the application from the scratch talaga. So from the collecting of documents, getting in touch with the French authority, French embassy, the municipality in France where the boyfriend located, and from booking appointment, booking the confirmed ticket, and completed documents before departure, like for immigration. So lahat yon sinerve ko sa kanya. So my service is not only for the visa application or during the visa application, but then yung service is until sa makarating siya ng safe sa France. So if you will be curious to know the services that I offer and the marriage visa package quotation or the pricing for the service, I will be writing my website and official Facebook on the description below. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!